type of love that if we ride it, you gon' kill love. I want that Bobby Evelyn, I want that Bills love. So I ain't never really feel love. When I met you, it feel like everything done healed up.
Look at the color, bro. Look at the color, bro.
VDV got it.
Yes, sir, man. You see, we got a new whip, bro. I got what you call it. I got tint. So that clip y'all just saw, the outside. Well, I mean, the car looked the same, but the windows, it's not fishbowl no more. But I'm gonna show y'all the inside right now while the car warm up, and then I'm gonna show y'all the outside when I go take this trash. And that's gonna be the end of this video. It's not gonna be long at all. Just show y'all I got the new whip. We finna turn up. It's finna be up bad. So stay tuned. I'm finna show y'all the inside and then show y'all the outside one more time. So like that. Alright, got the interior, the steering wheel, the dash. Indeed. I might get some new, what you call it, some little seat covers. I don't want to see the trash in the back, bro. But yeah. Oh yeah. And they go all the way back too, bro. Indeed. We lit bad. No cap. I'm gonna show y'all the outside, and then that's gonna be the end of this video, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. Like up the video. We're on the road to 1K, man. With that being said, I'm gonna show y'all this last clip, and we out. Peace out.
Know that we a whole team type of love. You in my dream type of love. If you ain't here, then you be on my screen type of love. That I might fuck around if I read type of love. Oh no, oh no.